मानसून तो हम सभी को प्यारा है और अगर वो मानसून गोवा में है तो और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है। सो नाउ लेट्स एक्सप्लोर द ग्रीनरी ऑफ गोवा।
तो दोस्तों अब मैं पहुंच गया हूं बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह पर और वो है थ्री किंग्स चैपल। तो चलिए अंदर चलते हैं।
So there are many people who travel to Goa in the monsoons. It's not that only in the summers they visit Goa. So अगर इस तरह का नज़ारा हो तो ट्रैवल करना तो बनता है। And now I'm presently here at Three Kings Chapel, and the story of this chapel is there were three kings who poisoned themselves and they were buried over here. So anyways, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are fine in this quarantine.
और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं बारिश के मौसम में इस जगह से आप एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो बहुत ही खूबसूरत इन्फिनिटी व्यू। This place is one of the most haunted places of Goa, but yet so very beautiful. Visiting this place after 7 is not advisable because many felt some kind of negative energy at this place, whereas some say it's all fine. I am now heading towards Udayar Spring Waterfall in Verna, which is around 8 kilometers from Three Kings Chapel. You can get the exact location with the help of Google Maps. We all know that Goa is highly influenced by the Portuguese rule and its essence is still prevalent and preserved in these old beautiful Portuguese houses which we can see on the way. On the way you'll find this place, and in the monsoons this looks like heaven. This road is recently widened and it smoothly connects Consolim to Verna. The fields at the sides look decent and beautiful. And here have a look at the beautiful Nagoa-Consua railway crossing. We need to go to the other lane by crossing this beautiful Verna circle to reach Udayar Spring Waterfall. So this is the beautiful Udayar Spring Waterfall. So now let's go in.
So guys, this is one of the springs in Goa. This is called as Udayar Spring. This is in Verna side. And this is one of the nature's great creations. So this was a short visit to the Three Kings Chapel and Udayar Spring Waterfall. Going to such places nowadays will give you some kind of great positive vibes which will help you to beat the negativity all around due to this coronavirus pandemic. So anyways, if you like this video for whatever reason, hit the like button, comment down your views, share this video with everyone and do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. Till then, take care, goodbye, फिर मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो। नमस्कार।